Welcome to the StatTree video module for discriminant analysis. To test whether two or more continuous variables can predict the likely outcome of a categorical variable, discriminant analysis would be appropriate. You will need one categorical dependent variable and at least two continuous independent variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, question number 2 regarding movie era has two nominal values and is a categorical variable. Era would be appropriate as a dependent variable. Any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 3 through 7. To run the discriminant analysis test for causal inference in VS Code, type in the following Julia code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you've already saved your code, go to the Explorer pane, browse to the location of the Julia script, and double-click on the JL file. The script will appear in the top right pane. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Julia will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for the test of the function for the three variables left in the discriminant analysis. With a discriminant analysis, there are multiple results figures to report. You will need to report the significance function statistics, including the Wilks, Lambda, and F-test results, the percentage of variance explained by the function, the group means for the function, and the overall accuracy percentage in the classification table. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.